Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel E-Commerce Project tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to edit a category. So let's see how can we edit the category. So first of all, go to the admin controller, and here inside this controller, let's create a new function. So right here, public function and function name, which is category edit, and inside this category edit function, just pass here ID as an argument. And now according to this ID, let's fetch here the category. So call here the function find or fill. Okay, and inside this function just pass here the ID, and this is the model name. And after getting the category, just return this category to the view, which is category edit view, using the compact method. Okay, so inside this compact method just pass here the category, this category. And now let's create the route for this function. So go to the web.php, and here let's create a new route. So right here, route, and method name, which is get URI, which is admin/category-edit, and pass here the route parameter, which is ID, and controller name AdminController, method name category edit, and route name, which is admin.category.edit. Copy this route name and go to the categories view file, and here inside the table body, inside this for else loop, here is the edit link. Okay, you can see here edit. So inside this href, just write here double curly bracket route, and inside this route just pass here the route name, which is admin.category.edit. okay, and also pass here the parameter ID. So right here big bracket and then ID arrow dollar category arrow ID. Okay, now save this, and now let's create this view category-edit. So let's copy and go to the resources directory, then views, admin, and inside this admin folder let's create a new file, which is category-edit.blade.php. and now let's open this one, brand-edit.blade.php file, and from here let's copy all the content from here. So select all and copy, and go back to the category edit view file and just paste here. Now in this file let's change everywhere brand to category. So select this brand and write here category, edit category, back to categories. Okay, and also add here the route name, which is double curly bracket route, and route name, which is admin.categories. and also change inside this brand edit view file this one. This is the invalid link, so correct this, double curly bracket route and admin.brands. okay, now inside this category edit view file let's find all the brand. So Control F and find the brand. There are 22 text, which is brand, so just select this and press Ctrl plus D. okay, select $brand arrow and press multiple time Ctrl D. So just press and select all the brand $brand arrow. okay, all selected. Now press left arrow key and just write here, delete first and write here category. okay, everywhere changed, category image, okay. And now let's find one more time brand. So right here brand, now 15 times. So right here category, let's copy this category and find next, category name, category slug. Okay, change category logo, and here just select the brand dash. Okay, and now press Ctrl T for multiple selection, and now press left arrow and just remove this and write here category. Okay, now find the brand, now 8 times, so write here category, find next, and here categories. Here also this is the image path, so write here categories, update category, okay, find next, and change here inside this JavaScript category. Let's copy this, and here also category name input, and for this slug input, category slug input. Okay, now let's find once more time brand. Okay, everywhere changed. So now save this file, and now go to the admin controller, and let's create another function for updating the category. Let's copy the function, and this one brand update. So just select this function and copy, and after this category edit method just paste here. Now change here the function name, which is category update. Okay, and also change here the table name, which is categories, and now select this $brand and press multiple time to select all the $brand inside this function. Okay, so continue pressing all selected and just write here $category. Okay, now change here the model name, which is category. Also change here the path, upload categories. Copy this and paste here inside the thumbnail path. Also change here. After saving the category, just return to the categories page. So just write here the route admin.categories, and also write here category updated successfully. Now it's done. So save this file, and let's create the route for this category update method. So go to the web.php, and here just write here the route method put, and add here the URI, this one admin/category-update, controller name, method name which is category update, and route name category admin.category.update. Okay, now copy this and save, and go to the category edit view file, and inside the form just replace the route name. Okay, this one, and now everything is done. So let's check. So just go to the categories page and just refresh the page, and let's edit category 4. So click on this link, edit, and just change here the category name, and let's say chair. Okay, and also change the image, so this one, click on update. Okay, here is one error, okay, spelling mistake, categories. So go to the admin controller and just correct the spelling. So find this Okay, here is the spelling mistake. Categories. Okay, now save this. Now let's check again. So just go back and refresh the page. Change here the category name, chair. Select the image. Okay, now click on update category and you can see category updated. Okay, now let's update this one. So just click on edit and category name, let's say table. Upload the category logo. This one, update category, and also set the active, and you can see here category updated. This video covers category updates for the admin panel. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the next parts of this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.